The arrival of 5G will help transform the way factories and building sites work. Health and safety is an important part of the world we live in, and this includes keeping your employees, your customers, and members of the general public safe. With 5G, we can work with you to assist in ensuring that your warehouses, your workspaces, and construction sites are safe, making sure that when a worker enters a site, they are following health and safety guidelines and regulations specific to that work site. Here, you can see that I'm in the work site and I don't have any PPE on. The AI has identified that I'm unsafe. And now, with the right PPE on, I'm identified as safe. And straight away, the health and safety team can be notified and immediately rectify the situation to protect workers on site. The arrival of 5G with its ultra-low latency and high bandwidth can help transform your factory into a smart factory, opening opportunities for Industry 4.0, which is the ongoing transformation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices combined with the latest smart technology. Already today, smart factories such as vehicle production plants are adopting 5G via mobile private networks to simply and securely manage their fleet of robots and automation machinery. 5G also opens new doors to new technologies such as network slicing and multi-access edge computing, commonly known as MEC. These technologies will provide quality control for your products. Faults and defects can be detected before they leave the building, meaning businesses can avoid expensive product recalls. With wireless 5G connectivity, collaborative robots can move around the factory floor working together with humans. Equipment can be repositioned to improve efficiency of the assembly line as required. The location of assets can be tracked in real time, and instructions can be beamed via augmented reality to workers in the factory.